Hey everyone, welcome back to the Litty Committee gang. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to drop a sub and tell me that you're a new family member, because your girl is Litty Shay. I know you all saw the title and the thumbnail down below. Becoming a YouTuber part 2 tips. The first tip of becoming a YouTuber is be yourself always. Never try and copy and paste nobody, because let me tell you something, being yourself, somebody out there, a group of people will like your energy and they will like you for you. Like if you come on camera and start faking yourself and being someone who you're not, it's not gonna get you far. You know what I mean? Like, it's not gonna get you no subscribers, it's not gonna get you no views. It's just gonna be like you're just being like how this person is. Don't do that. Be yourself, be original, be unique. Like, just number do you. 2. Yeah, if you see me looking here, I'm looking at the Litty lap. Yeah, the Litty lap. That's what we're gonna call it. The Litty lap. The Litty lap. The second one is make a post about what your first video should be. So if you're a beginner and you don't know what to post, go on Instagram on your story and put up a little poll. Ask people, ask your friends, your family, what should your first video be on your channel, and take it from there. Just go with the flow. That's all you can do. Go with the flow. And yeah, that's what I done basically. I just went with the flow. I uploaded videos. I done what I thought was correct, and that's why I am on the road to 7k subscribers right now. Right, the third one is make sure you title your videos according to what your video is about. Like, I've seen so many people do videos and when I read their title and watch their video, it doesn't really match up. So I'm like, why did you do that? Like, it doesn't make no sense, you know what I mean? Because if your title is not clear to what your video and your thumbnail is saying, then people are just gonna go past it. Right. The next tip is make sure your thumbnails are good thumbnails. Make sure they stand out. Make sure there's colour. Make sure there's big writing. Because at the end of the day, if you've got a thumbnail and it's boring and it's just showing your big round face, what's the point? What is it, like, what's going to happen in the video? Is it a vlog? Are you going to go somewhere? Are you pranking somebody? Like, get somebody's facial expressions. You know what I mean? Like, don't just be face blood out on the front of the thumbnail. Don't do that. Like, actually get a thumbnail before you start your video or during the video. Don't try and just take a picture of anything and just be like, thumbnail. No. Right, the next one is next one is invest in your ideas. So when I mean in that, I mean sit down and plan. Like, invest in yourself. Like, don't just copy and paste somebody else's videos because it's doing well. Think of your own video ideas, and don't invest in YouTube equipment so fast, because sometimes a lot of these YouTubers use their phones, because a lot of them have like iPhones or good quality phones with cameras and video recording screens. So don't go out your way to buy like a camera in your early stages. Just use what you have. Everybody's got daylight. Everybody's got a phone. You know what I mean? That's all you need, really. And a good editing software. I will get into that in the next couple of videos, so yeah, stay tuned. The next one is communicate with your subscribers. Like, communicate with your subscribers. What I mean by communicate with your subscribers, I mean ask them things on your community tab, or ask them things on your Instagram post. Just communicate somehow. Or when you're talking to like your subscribers, like say, hey guys, how are you today? How are you feeling? You know what I mean? Don't just start a video and be like, hi. No, you need to be like, hey y'all, how's it going? How you been? What's popping? You know? Make a conversation in the comment section. Talk to them. Ask them how their day's gone. Ask them what their favourite part of the videos is or was. You know? Ask them what videos they want to see you post. Like, that's very important. Next one is, you don't have to vlog your whole life. Like, if your channel is not a vlogging channel, you don't have to vlog your whole life, because my channel is not a vlogging channel. My channel is not a vlogging channel, so I just post bits here, bits here, bits here of my day. I don't show everything, because that's not my, you know, that's not me. And if I am to show you like one and two things what I'm doing in a day, then hey ho, you know. Right, the next one and the last one is, keep your private life private. Because I've been on social media and I see so much people's life getting blurted out, and it's like, why? What's the point? Everybody's got a life. Every content creator, every influencer, everybody has a life. So why would you want to put your private life on the line? Don't do that. Because people are so nosy. People just want to see you falling down, and they'll be like, oh yeah, did you hear about so-and-so? Yeah, so-and-so's not doing so well, you know, but when she's doing well, she don't even talk to us. But now that she's down in the dumps, she wants to call our phone and be like, hey girl, yeah, nah. Like, don't do that. Don't put yourself at risk, because a lot of people like to see people fail and they don't like to see them win. So when like you're failing and things are going wrong for you and you run back to social media or whatever, you're like, oh my god, like, you see them tea pages, they love gossip. Them tea pages love gossip, and they'll just sit there and make up so much lies and make your life seem so what it's not. You know what I mean? So just keep it private and just tell your community what you want to tell them, and don't be like telling like your whole life story. Like, no, don't do that. Anyways, guys, that is it from me today. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Also comment down below how you're feeling and what you're doing and what your time is currently, because right now my time is 4:56 p.m. I know somewhere in the world it must be like 10 o'clock in the morning, so let me know your time so we can be like, yeah, bougie. Right, I'm out.